Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language setting in CoinMarketCap application. To change language setting in CoinMarketCap, launch open the CoinMarketCap app on your device and log in if needed. Once you're inside the home page of CoinMarketCap, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now from the expanded menu, select Language. On the next page, choose a different language setting you want to change to, and with just a click of a button, you will be able to change the display language setting on your CoinMarketCap application. CoinMarketCap supports multiple languages such as English, Spanish, Chinese, Russian, etc. There are much more other languages available. Soon after you tap on the language setting, the language change will take effect right away. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.